Myself Anisha from Daily Essentials. कोई है? Hello? Is there anybody? Hi शिवानी. Hi हमजा. कैसे हैं आप लोग? Hi अंशु बंसल. Hi ऐश्वर्या. Hi श्रद्धा. सो लास्ट वाले सेशन में किसने क्या क्या ट्राई किया? हाय मानसी लोढ़ा. किसी ने कुछ ट्राई किया लास्ट वाले सेशन का? हेलो मीनल. hello everybody.
Lockdown.
Yes, there is lockdown. So who tried last session? Who tried melt and pour soap making? Is there anybody who has done? Yes Shivani, I know there is lockdown and we are not going to get any raw materials. So today I am going to talk about cream making, cream body lotion making. Okay, so before starting I would like to announce a giveaway. Yes Aishwarya, due to lockdown we don't have all the sufficient materials, raw materials with us. So now I am going to announce a giveaway. Who will answer my all the questions will get this gift. It has one beautiful soap, Kesar lemon, one detangler, Daily Essentials Roll chocolate lip scrub, and lip balm, and a beautiful loofah, body loofah. Okay, so who is going to give all the answers correct and fast, he or she will be getting this hamper. Yes, there will be 10 questions in total for this hamper. Okay, 3 questions will be asked in this session and another 7 questions will be asked on my Instagram story or the page itself. Can we sell this product? These are for giveaway. As you wish, if you want to sell you may, but I am going to give this as a giveaway to all. Okay, so okay, you are a beginner, so don't worry, you don't need to answer such hard questions. You just need to answer basic questions which I will be explaining in between this live session only. जितने भी questions रहेंगे ना, yes I know you are a beginner, but जो भी questions रहेंगे ना, वो जो अभी मैं इस सेशन में सिखाऊंगी या जो लास्ट सेशन में सिखाया था उसके रिलेटेड ही होगा. सो ये गिव अवे रहेगा सीधा आपके पास. सो कौन कौन एक्साइटेड है लिप बाम, लिप स्क्रब, डीटैंगलर, सोप के लिए एंड ब्यूटीफुल लोफा? You can see this. ओके, सो आज का स्टार्ट करें क्रीम मेकिंग. कौन कौन रेडी है?
But ask in English.
But ask in English. Sure, question will be in both the languages, in English and in Hindi. Okay? Yes, waiting. So, today's session we are going to talk about cream making and lotion making. Okay, so now you all came to know about this now. Please tell in English. I will speak in both the languages, English and Hindi. Okay, so I'm going to keep it out. So now I'm going to talk about our cream making. Okay, so all are excited? Okay, let's begin. There will be 3 phases in the cream making or the body lotion making. Okay, hi Nisha, hi Shrenik, hi Mohammed. I don't know your name exactly. Hi Mohammed Tahira. Okay, so let's begin. Okay, there are total 3 phases for any cream or lotion making. The one phase is the oil phase. Okay, it has oils, waxes, butters and emulsified things. Okay, yes. Okay, here is my oil phase. Oil phase contains butters, oils like coconut oil, almond oil, olive oils, etc. Acid, that is stearic acid, sometimes e-wax, sometimes cetyl alcohol. It totally depends on our recipe, that what you are going to use, which recipe you are going to use. So here is my oil phase and here is my water phase. Okay, in water phase they are, that is demineralized water, or you may go for the distilled water, but never use the tap water. Okay, don't ever use tap water, always take demineralized water or the distilled water for cream making. And glycerin, that is vegetable glycerin. Glycerin we use in creams for our body mineralization and body moisturization. Okay, if you are making any kind of cream na, there will be 3 phases in total. One is oil phase, like this, which includes oils and etc. Another one is cool down, another one will be the water phase. Can we use boiled water? No, you can't use boiled water. Compulsorily use distilled water or demineralized water. What is demineralized water? Demineralized water is a pharmaceutical water which comes exactly for the cosmetic making only. Okay, so now I have talked about 2 phases enough. Now I am going to talk about the phase 3, that is cool down phase. Okay, cool down phase includes our alterations and additives we are going to use in our cream making. Okay, so as I shown you the essential oils I have. Wait, I am going to show you essential oils. Here is also some of the essential oils. Okay, we use essential oils, extracts and herbal powders in cool down phase. Okay, so let's begin. Okay, till now everyone get na? Everyone got it? So now here is my first question for giveaway. How many phases are there in cream making? Answer right now in comment. I will write who is the winner. Who is the winner? Right answer, write your answer for the first question. 3, yes, exactly. Royal Baisa. Royal Baisa, you are the right, you are the correct, you have given the correct answer. And study. Please give your full name. Yes, everyone is correct. There are 3 steps, but first answer is given by the Royal Baisa. Please write your full name. You're welcome. Please write your full name, Royal Baisa. Priyanka Rathore. Wait, I'm just writing. Priyanka Rathore. Face answer. So now you don't lose your hopes, guys. There are 9 more questions for the hamper, for the giveaway, okay? Who will give more correct answers and more study, that guy or she will get this hamper, okay? I am going to show this hamper once again. Loofah, detangler, lip balm and lip scrubs, and the beautiful Kesar lemon soap. This is our giveaway, okay? So now we will keep both the faces together in the microwave and we will stir this face at 30 seconds interval, okay? So now if you don't have microwave, you need to do double boil both the faces together, so both the faces get equal temperature, okay? Now I am going to keep both this in microwave until it get melt. Please choose answers after you have completed your question. I completed my question at that time. Hello, Sufreen. I completed my question, dear. Before completing, how can she answer? There might be any issue with the network at your place or might be at my place. So now I am going to keep both these faces together in microwave and I will melt this face completely, okay? Now you compulsorily be needing to stir at 30 seconds interval to the phase A, that is oil phase, okay? So ask any questions till it gets properly. Please repeat the question. Okay dear, the question was that how many phases are there in cream making or the lotion making? So answer has come yet. That is, there are 3 phases. Quantity and which oil? Sorry dear, these are all included in my recipes. I am here to show you the demo of the cream making and I will be giving you the alterations for cream making. I am not giving you the full recipe. For that you need to buy our course. You will get this kind of paper. No Mudit, not 5 faces. There are only 3 faces. Repeat the procedure, ma'am. Okay. There are 3 phases in the cream or lotion making. The first phase is the oil phase. First phase is the oil phase. It includes oils, butters, waxes, etc. Repeat what you just said. Yes, Kenny, I will. We are going to make today cream making. For cream making, there are 3 phases. First phase is oil phase. That is, it will include, sorry, it will include oils, butters, waxes, stearic acids, etc. Some of the emulsified waxes and some of the oils like coconut oil, olive oil, soybean oil, sunflower oil. You can use any oil, but I prefer to use almond oil because it is great for our body. You may go for the argan oil also. It is the safest and the richest oil for cream making and it gives superb result. Nowadays there are avocado creams are also there, so you can use avocado oil also for the oil phases, okay? Now we are going to move to the next phase, that is water phase. Water phase includes the additives which are dissolvable in water, that is glycerin and demineralized water. We are compulsorily be in needing to use demineralized water. Don't use tap water or RO water or boiled water. Okay? Till now, everyone got it? Is there any question for the phase 1 and phase 2? No sound. Hello? Nice explain. Thank you. All can hear me, na? Everyone can hear me? Hello? I am just waiting to get it properly melt. Okay. So here my phase A and phase B is properly boiled and phase B is properly melted. So here you can see my phase A is properly melted. And here is my phase B. How much intervals it took to get properly melted?
2 minutes.
It took
1 minute,
almost 3 intervals of 30 seconds to properly get it melt. Okay. So now I am going to show you all one thing, that I am going to add my phase, water phase in oil phase. Now I will properly mix it. You all can see now. Now I will use this. Wait a minute. दिख रहा है दिव्या प्रॉपर तेरे फोन में? Now I will mix it properly with the help of a whisker. You may use electric blender over here or the electric beater. Okay? Unable to hear. Dear, I am speaking properly. Is there any problem? Please check your network connection. Now I will blend it for almost 10 minutes. Dear, preservative will be included in the phase C, that is cool down phase. Okay. Now I will blend it for almost 7 to 8 minutes. Okay. सिर्फ whisker से बीट करना है इसको. These are normal oils that we used. No dear, there are special oils. That one is sweet almond oil, argan oil, olive oil. We can't use our edible oils in this. We compulsorily be needing here cold processed oil, cold processed coconut oil, cold processed olive oil, cold processed other oils. Okay. Yes, I guess there is some issue with you, Mohammed Tahira. You just off your phone once or go remove Instagram once and come back.
Exit live and come back.
Exit live and come back, so it will give you proper. So now after 7 or 8 minutes it will be like this. Yes, you can use electric grinder. Can you see the consistency of the cream? This is my cream base ready. Cold process means dear, the oils which are not made from the heat up process, so they have all their properties with them. Okay. You can see the cream's consistency. This is just the mixture of phase A and phase B. This is made up with the help of olive oil and almond oil and shea butter. I don't use coconut oil much.
Wow.
So now our base is ready. Okay, very well consistency, thank you. The base is ready. Now we will move on towards the phase C. For that I will take a cup. I will add phase A and B's mixture, that is our base cream, in this bowl. Here is my cream base, that is phase A and phase B. Now I am going to add the preservative in this. Wait a minute. Yes, here is my preservative, that is इसका गट पैग, नाम हट गया है, इसका गट पैग. This is used as 1 gram or 1 ml for 100 gram base. So here is 20 grams of base. I am going to take just 2 drops, 2 to 3 drops for this. Okay, now I will mix it properly. Now our cream base is ready. Now you can sell this cream base in the market. Okay, now this is just basic cream. Now I will teach you all how you all can add cool down phase to this. Now I have added first step of the cool down phase, that is iska guard peg. Okay, so this is with the preservative. Now I am going to add some flavors in this. Now for suppose I am going to make rose cream, so I will add rose essential oil in this. You can add essential oils, you can add extracts, you can add powders also. I am going to add, I just forgot my dropper, so I am just adding 2 drops of the essential oils. Okay,
What is preservative name?
what is preservative's name? Iska guard peg. So now here I have added the preservative. Okay, sorry, here I have added the rose essential oil to make it rose cream. Now I will add rose fragrance. Now I will add rose fragrance, so it will smells good. Okay, here is my rose fragrance.
It's optional.
It is totally optional, ma'am. If you adding papaya juice, what will do? No dear, you can't add papaya juice. You compulsorily be needing to add papaya extract. You can't add papaya juice. I am about to add. It's not opening. Yes. Now I am going to add the rose fragrance. Use compulsorily dropper. Okay. What is benefit of this preservative in cream? Will it make shelf life longer? Yes. Now I have added rose fragrance. So this is the basic method of any cream making. That is, you add the fragrance and the essential oils. You can make a lot of kind of creams. The first one is with only preservative and fragrance. Another one is with preservative, fragrance and essential oils. The third one is with preservative, essential oils and extracts. Next one is only with the fragrance and essential oil, fragrance and color. Okay, so if you all want to add any color in this, a light slight pink color, then you also can add that color. I don't want to add any additives like a color because I am going to apply this on my body, on my face. So I don't prefer to add any colors. So here is our rose cream ready. Okay. Now please tell which cream you want to make next. Which flavored cream you want to go for next. Now I am going to take base again in another bowl. Here is our rose cream. I am going to make next. Which cream you want to guys know about? Please tell me. You can do one thing, that you just keep ready. Get this cream. Get this cream base ready.
Red wine, orange.
Okay,
Lemon.
just ready this base, and as your customer order or as you want to add flavors, you just take out the quantity of your packaging.
Avocado, lemon,
Of packaging.
honey,
Take the cream.
red wine now.
Okay, and add your preservatives. Add other things. Red wine. Sorry, dear, here is not available of the red wine because of lockdown. Yes, avocado. This is the avocado cream base only. I have used base oil as a avocado oil only. Avocado and sweet almond oil. Red wine is not possible. Orange, lavender,
Saffron.
saffron. कहाँ लिखा है saffron? Please get the saffron. Okay, so we are going to make saffron cream. So here is our base cream. रहने दो. Here is our base cream ready. ला दो. So here is my Kesar fragrance. This is emulsion of fragrance oil plus essential oil. This is my Kesar essential oil plus fragrance. Now I am going to add in the base. Okay. Sorry, I forgot to add preservative. I am going to add preservative. Skin brightening cream. Yes, Kesar cream, saffron cream is the skin brightening cream itself. So I have added the saffron fragrance. I have added the saffron fragrance, essential oil and preservative. Now I will add little flexes. इसको compulsorily mix करती हूँ. I will add some saffron flexes to it.
Skin brightening cream. Saffron, red wine.
I am going to add pinch of saffron to make it saffron cream. You can add colors to it if you want. You can see I have added the saffron. I have added almost 7 to 8 leaves of the saffron. Here is
What will be the shelf life?
what will the shelf life. Okay, if you are adding preservative, then the shelf life will be 2 years. Okay, and if you're not adding any of the essential oil, any of the preservative, the shelf life will be 6 to 7 months maximum. So now I will be adding some Kesar extract. First I have made just a cream with the essential oil and fragrance. For pigmentation skin, which cream will you suggest? For pigmentation, I would suggest you to make a Kesar cream plus carrot seed oil cream, because carrot seed oil is very good for the pigmentation. First cream I have taught you with the essential oils and with the fragrance oil. This cream is with the extract, essential oils, fragrance oil and preservative. Okay, so here is our Kesar cream ready. So now get ready for the second question.
Ready?
Are you guys ready? Everyone can listen now properly. Everyone can hear me out properly. Please at least reply, friends, that all you are ready or not. Should I start my question or not? Okay, so here is my second question. Which two types of cream we have made today in this session? ऐसी कौन सी दो तरीके की क्रीम्स है जो अभी अपन ने इस लाइव सेशन में बनाई है? वेटिंग फॉर द आंसर्स. यस नहीं लिखना है, आंसर लिखना है. इफ यू वॉन्ट आवर गिव अवे हैम्पर. Kesar is only one. Rose is also only one. Kesar is also only one. Write both the answers together. Write both the answers together. Write both the answers together. I will not come like first is yes, Rosebud Clothing. You are the winner. Please write your full name. Yes, Sufreen, you have answered, but I want both the faces, both the answers together. Please, Rosebud Clothing. Please write your full name. Please write full name. What is your full name? Rosebud Clothing. Yes, you are the winner of the second question. Please say your full name.
Sana Safe.
Sana Safe. Wait a minute, I am just writing. Sana Safe. 2 creams. Rosebud Clothing. Okay.
It's getting thick.
So now you remember we have melted both the faces and mixed it properly. Now you can see it is started thickening. After 7 to 8 minutes, it is like this much thick. You can see the consistency, right? Now I will keep whisking it for more 6 to 7 minutes. Okay, I will whisk it more. So do you guys want me to ask more questions in this live session, or you want to answer through the Instagram story? Please give your suggestions. No, Prince, was not supposed to be the winner. You have answered at the last. So guys, please tell me. Hello Hitesh Bhaiya. Okay, so next we are about to make, which cream you all guys want to make next? Okay, I will ask 5 questions in this live sessions for our hamper. I am going to show once again the hamper. You will be getting this soap. You will be getting the lip scrub, rose lip scrub, lip balm,
Story.
a detangler, and a beautiful loofah. Okay?
Sandalwood.
Okay, sandalwood tea tree. Okay, I will make both the creams together with sandalwood plus tea tree. Okay guys, so now I am going to take the base cream once again. Here is our base cream. I have taken our base cream. Now next, first step, I am going to add the preservative in this. Okay. Now I will add tea tree essential oil. टी ट्री एसेंशियल ऑयल कहाँ है? क्या Sorry. Here is my tea tree essential oil. Really like the container. Thank you. I am adding tea tree essential oil to make tea tree cream.
So this thing.
I have added 3 drops of the tea tree cream, tea tree essential oil. Okay. Now I will add sandalwood essential oil. Here is my sandalwood essential oil. Now, first cream we have made with just essential oil and fragrance. Second one we have made with the extract with the Kesar Flakes essential oils, and from where you purchase oils. I purchased all the oils from the raw material supplier here. I also supply raw materials. Second cream we have made with the Kesar Flakes, Kesar Emulsion. The third one I am going to make with essential oils extracts. Now I am going to add some extracts. I am going to add the eucalyptus extract in this cream. So I have added 5 drops of extract in this. Now I will mix it properly. So our tea tree and sandalwood cream is ready. At this stage you can add colors if you want, okay, and you can add emulsions also if you want. You can add sandalwood powder also if you want to add. I am not adding any kind of powder in this. This is my tea tree plus sandalwood cream. We can use for under eye darkness. You compulsorily need to use coffee extract plus licorice extract for making under eye cream. Okay. So under eye darkness answered na. You all can see the consistency of the cream. Now I will apply this on my hand and show you. It just completely get into my skin. You can see the shine of the skin. Okay, so you all understood till now. So I am going to ask the third question. All are ready to make answers?
Repeat.
Aishwarya, what do you want me to repeat? So the cream we have made today is also ready. This is our base cream. You can see the consistency. Exactly like this cream. Okay. Ye cream consistency is very lovely. Thank you. You all can see the consistency now. It is also ready to be used as base cream. Now I will do one thing, that I will add preservative in this whole cup. Okay. So now I have added preservative in this base. Now the shelf life of the base is 2 years. Okay. Now if I want to make rose cream, I will add rose essential oil and rose fragrance oil and rose extract. Whatever cream you want to make, you can add in this. Okay. Can we purchase it directly? Yes, you can buy the cream bases from me. I have cream base of the coconut oil, I have olive oil cream base, I have almond oil cream base, I have our avocado oil cream base. I have many cream bases. What's the price? It totally depends, dear, because I just make from the essential oils and a very good oils blend. So coconut oil cream base I sell for 350 rupees per kg. If you go for the olive oil one, if you go for the olive oil one, that will be for 450 rupees. If you go for the sweet almond oil base, then the cost will be 600. I have missed the starting. Don't worry, I will share this to my story.
For 24 hours.
And I will also upload this video to my YouTube channel. Okay, the channel name is Anipri, ANIPRI. Okay, if someone is listening, please type my channel's name. So now our third question I am going to ask. All ready? Everyone is ready to answer? For that I will contact you in personal only. Sure, no problem. Spell again. Dear Divya Mehta has just commented Anipri, ANIPRI. All are ready for the third question? All are ready? Okay. So, my third question is, how many intervals my phase A took to get properly melted? Answer now. देखते हैं इसका आंसर पहले कौन करता है. How many intervals of 30 seconds? Yes, correct. Rahavivenu Gopal. Please give your full name. All are latecomers. The winner is Rahavivenu Gopal. Please give your full name. I want to write it. This is your full name? Okay. Rahavivenu Gopal. So guys, we are just completing our cream making sessions over here. If you all have any questions, doubts, please ask. I will answer. I have 3 persons who have answered one questions correctly and first. Now I will consider all the 7 questions to my story, Instagram story. Who will answer me first now? He or she will get this properly. Okay? He or she will get proper. He will get. I will upload my 7 questions after 1 hour. Okay? About 3 p.m. Any questions? Any guesses? Who will be the winner of 10 questions answer? Any guesses? और क्वेश्चंस जो भी मैं पूछूंगी, नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चंस विल रिलेट टू बोथ माय मेल्ट एंड पोर लाइव सेशन एंड with this live session. Okay, thank you, you're welcome. How to make lotion? Same process, only the measurements will be different. Can you show the other extracts? Yes, I can show you all my essential oils and extracts. Yes, on Daily Essential page. Here are my essential oils. I have just kept in little small bottles because I have 5 liter and 2 liter packaging of the oils. This is neem essential oil, aloe vera oil, evening primrose oil, carrot seed oil, pomegranate seed oil, apricot oil, peppermint, lemon. This is not oil, this is extract. Kapoor essential oil, lavender essential oil, turmeric essential oil, neem essential oil, basil essential oil, vitamin E essential oil, yang essential oil, vanilla essential oil. Here is almond extract. This is my rosemary essential oil. You will get on this page. Now I am going to show you more things. Here is Kesar emulsion fragrance oil, tea tree essential oil, neem tulsi emulsion extract, dove fragrance, mixed fruit fragrance, cherry extract, orange fragrance oil, lavender fragrance oil, wheat germ oil, eucalyptus essential oil, orange extract, lemongrass extract, vitamin E oil little bottle, strawberry extract, green apple extract. Okay, and many more at my studio. Lot of collection you have. Yes, thank you. I have many more at my studio because I just can't get everything here. Okay, so is there any question related to this session or the melt and pour one? So nice, thank you. You're welcome. Is there any question, guys? It's already mentioned dear, and I will share the link. एक्सट्रैक्ट का एक्चुअली यूज़ क्या होता है एंड इनके बेनिफिट्स क्या हैं. एक्सट्रैक्ट मतलब उनका ओरिजिनलिटी रहता है जया, जो बहुत ज़्यादा बेनिफिशियल रहते हैं अपनी बॉडी के लिए है. एसेंशियल ऑयल्स बेटर होते हैं लेकिन एक्सट्रैक्ट उससे भी बेटर होते हैं और उससे भी ज़्यादा एक्सपेंसिव होते हैं. इफ़ यू गो फॉर द ओरिजिनल एक्सट्रैक्ट्स, आजकल मार्केट में बहुत सस्ते वाले, बहुत मिक्सिंग वाले एक्सट्रैक्ट्स भी आपको मिल रहे हैं. डोंट गो फॉर दैट. You guys all know that there are very cheaper essential oils are also available in market. So before buying any essential oil or extract, ask about percentage. What percentage of essential oil you are holding? Okay, because many are selling like 50% of the essential oil, and they make they take 50% of the olive oil, or they just mix and dilute with any other oil and give it to you. How to make essential oils? Dear, you can't make essential oils at home. They are properly manufactured, because you will make these hand wash base. Yes, I do have. It's tough process. You just can't make proper essential oil at home. How much phase A and distilled water can added? Means I didn't understand the question properly, Sanju. Nandini Sanju. Okay, I didn't understand the question properly. How much phase A and distilled water can added? So you just need to do is always make your base or buy your base. Please don't buy cheaper bases, because there are many kind of bases, cream bases available in the market just at 200 rupees, 100 rupees per kg. But just think before you buying them what they had used for just 100 rupees. Okay, if they are giving you for 100 rupees or 200 rupees, what they have added, उन्होंने क्या यूज़ किया होगा 100 रुपये kg में. Understood guy? Understood? So always go for better. Don't always go for cheaper. Okay? In fact, you just use your personal made base only. जितनी bottles आपके पास हैं अभी. हाँ,
आपसे परचेस करे तो कितने में पड़ेगा?
किसने बोला? मेरे पास नहीं आया कमेंट. जितनी बॉटल्स आपके पास है अभी आपसे परचेज करे तो आप मुझसे भी परचेज कर सकते हैं, आप किसी और से भी परचेज कर सकते हैं. मेरा प्राइस लिस्ट जो भी है मेरा पेज के ऊपर डला हुआ है, और आप मुझे पर्सनल मैसेज कर दीजिए, मैं अपना पूरा प्राइस लिस्ट आपको दे दूंगी. आई सप्लाई ऑल दी रॉ मटेरियल्स ऑल्सो. ओके, so guys, I sell all the bases also and base make recipes also. I teach also. I supply raw materials also. Now is there any questions?
आपका next live session कौन सा है?
So now here I am going to ask my fourth question. Everyone is ready for fourth question? Please answer. Ready for fourth question?
I think no one is ready.
So the fourth question is, which preservative I have added to my cream base? Which preservative I have added to my cream base? Who will give first answer? Write down your answers fast. Write down your answers. Which preservative I have used? Name. I want name of the preservative. Ishgard. Ishgard Peg. Yes. Pavitra Ishgard is wrong. Once again, Rosebud Clothing have given the right answer and the first answer, that is Ishgard Peg. Wait a minute, I have to write. So the chances of Sana Safe is higher to get this combo. Total 4 questions are finished in this live session. Next 6 questions I will update to my story and my Instagram page. Okay? Yes, Sufreen, right answer. But Sana has answered first. Rosebud Clothing. Okay guys, so let's end our session. Sana Safe will win according to my intuitions. Let's see who wins. Okay, so bye everybody. Oh, I forgot to ask one question. Which live session you all guys want next? Which next session you all guys want? Today we have completed with the creams and lotions. Which live session? No, Sufreen, wait a minute. Answer which live session you guys want. Please give your WhatsApp number. Sure. Right. Gel making. Okay, I will try to get gel making live next pack. Okay. 7554. Please, if anyone is listening, please write down my number 94227 447 94227 447 554.
9427447554.
Yes. Okay, first we will go for gel making, then we will go to hair oil and hair pack making. Okay, shampoo making, sure. So Divya Mehta has commented my contact number, my WhatsApp contact number, my phone contact number. So now bye, see ya everybody, see you all next week. I will update all the details on my Insta page. Okay, bye.